Hello everyone, this is Arman from Python Planet. Today I want to share with you how to install Docker in your Ubuntu PC. Let's start. At first, open terminal, then write Docker. Docker. Little bit. Okay. Copy this command. Sudo apt install docker.io. Then paste. Enter your password. Do you want to continue? Yes. Installation process is little bit more time. Docker installation process are two types: built-in command side, and another is Docker documentation, official documentation. Okay. After this installation process, we will check out Docker version. Okay, progress 38%. Okay, installation is complete. Now please check Docker version. Docker --version. This is your Docker version in your PC. Now write sudo tl status. Status is key running. Okay. Then write sudo enable Docker. Then write Docker run hello world. Oops, permission denied. So write sudo docker run hello world. Hello from Dockers. Okay, good to know. Thank you so much.